Hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, online classes, subject Automotive Electronics, unit number 2, chapter number 4. Okay. So in unit number 2, we know that unit number 2, that is injection and ignition system. Okay. So previous chapter we discussed with the ignition system. Okay. So in ignition system, main component is spark plugs, because it is only has produced the 30,000 volt spark in the combustion area to ignite the petrol and the air mix. Okay, so spark plug design will be the main component in the process. Once the plug will not be working, means the mixer will not be ignited, so the engine will not be movement. Okay, so the spark plug movement for every fraction of second it will be moved in produce the 30,000 volt. Okay, so in this class we are going to see about the spark plug and types of spark plug, then application of spark plug, like that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So what is spark plug? It is a device for delivering electrical current from an ignition system to the combustion chamber. So this is the working of spark plug. Okay, in right side image we have right side animation, we have spark. Okay, when the spark is enabled, the automatically the piston will be goes to the initial condition, that is a downward condition. So this is the main part of the spark plug. Okay, so spark plug where we are processed in the condition. Okay, so mainly spark plug used in the petrol fuel injections, petrol engines. So part of the spark plugs: terminal, shell, resistor, insulator, central electrode, and the ground electrode. So terminal, say the blue color terminal, the mentioned in the blue color, it is a part on which the high voltage from the ignition coil is connected. So a resistor used to eliminate the electrical or radio interference. Used to eliminate the electrical or radio interference. Next one is shell. Shell is designed with the thread that screw into the combustion chamber, act as a air point. Insulator. This insulator function of provide mechanical support and electrical insulation for the central electrode, RABS. So it is designed to lengthen the distance between upper insulated terminal and the earth shell as much possible. Central electrode, it is connected to the terminal. There are three types. One is nickel copper alloy, another one is platinum, another one is iridium. So ground electrode is welded on the shell, made of same material or shell or coated with a platinum. The shell may have one or more grounded electrodes to choose least resistance path. Some have groove. So first we will see the middle center electrode models. That is nickel copper alloy. It is allows plug to heat up and also dissipate heat quickly, but it's subject to corrosive degradation. So diameter of central electrode 2.5 millimeter. Service life is 20,000 miles. Platinum, excellent corrosion resistance, does not conduct electricity as a nickel copper alloy. So diameter of central electrode is equal to 1.1 millimeter. Service life will be 1 lakh miles. Another one is iridium. Iridium is the good conductor and 6 times harder than platinum. So diameter of central electrode 0.5 millimeter. Then service life will be 60,000 miles. So principle of grow. So grow is the concept which is used in the output side. To the produced spark plug will be directly given to the combustion chamber. So in this model, forces the spark plug to occur at the outer edge of central electrode. That is easier to ignite the mixer. The voltage required to produce the spark is reduced. Next one, types of spark plug. One is hot plug, another one is cold plug. The main difference is length of electrode insulator tip. Lengths of electrode insulator tip. So longer insulator tip makes the plug hotter. Hot plug has the ability to retain heat at the plug tip used in the low compression engine. This means the spark plug will heat up. The spark plug will heat up easily and reach its optimal operating temperature. Cold have very short heat path, so any retained heat will dissipate much faster. Used in high performance engine to resist the high heat produced in the combustion chamber. So what happened when the spark plug selected for the engine? Too cold or heat range is too high. If the spark plug is too cold, carbon deposit will start to develop between the central electrode and the shell. It makes a ground path for the current to flow. If spark plug heat range is too high, then abnormal pre-ignition may occur. So leads to misfiring, melting of spark plug electrode and piston damage. Okay, these are the applications of spark plug. Okay, when we go for a spark plug, you have to know internal parts of the uh, spark plug and the types of spark plug and which one is best, hot or cold. Okay, so hot and cold. So when cold spark plug will the electrode will be damaged in the future condition because it will dissipate more heat. So it will be very easily it will be damaged or that it will produce some of the contaminant in the electrode. So in future the process will be changed. Okay. So in this animation you can see the process of spark plug. When it will be spark. Okay. So these spark plugs always communicated with the correct electronic circuit because the electronic circuit will define the process. Okay. Let's see the recap. Shell insulator, central electrode, ground electrode, nickel copper alloy, platinum, iridium, Innsbruck Grove.